Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create your avatar video from a photo and embed it in your Moodle course for your introduction. So first I'm going to do is go into HeyGen, get an account, and then notice on the home page, you will go into make an avatar video from a photo. Click on that. Next, you're going to upload your photo. Next, you're going to add your script and hit the arrow pointing up. Next, we're going to go into avatar videos and play it.
Nellie Deutsch is a teacher educator who has taught EFL in K-12 and higher education for over 40 years and has applied CALL since 1992. Nellie's a YouTuber.
All right, we're going to stop there, but I just want to show you how to share it. That's the last step. You go into the share, and then notice the options here. You can embed it. You can get a thumbnail for it. Of course, you can get the code shared on LinkedIn, but you don't need all that. Or you can make it so that not everyone can view it by requiring a password. We're going to go into the embed. Hit that, and we've got the embed code. Next, we're going to go to our Moodle course and add it there. We'll start with add discussion topic, add intro, and then go into tools here. Notice in the editor, source code, and then simply paste it. That's it. Right, and don't forget, of course, to save. And it'll appear here if you want it in the center. You go into these three dots and you simply align it in the center and then post to forum, and that's it. And then everyone can simply play it.
Nellie Deutsch is a teacher educator who has taught EFL in K-12.
And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Your comments are very, very important to me. So ask. Let me know what you think, and see you in the next video. Thank you.